Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss with you about grade 10 physics. Topic is refraction of light and subtopic is refractive index and speed of light. So this is a very important topic in physics to understand that what is refractive index and how it's related to speed of light. So the substance through which light travels is called the medium. So in physics the solid, liquid and gas through which the light will travel is a medium, and the light gets reflected or bent while going from one medium to another medium because its speed changes. It slows or it speeds up. So from when the light will enter from the air into the glass slab, okay, because air is a solid free medium where particles are freely arranged. When it travels from that air into glass, which is a solid and particles are tightly packed, so its speed will decrease. And when it travels from glass again back to air, its speed will increase. So light gets reflected while going from one medium to another medium. Because of that, its path will bend. So light is refracted or it bends while going from one medium to another medium because its speed changes, and that is the reason for the refraction of the light. So there can be two changes, either it slows or it speeds up. So what is refractive index? Refractive index is a ratio of speed of light in the two medium. Suppose here this is a medium, suppose this is a glass slab, this is air. From air, this is air is medium 1, glass slab is medium 2. From air the light ray is passing and it touches the glass slab and it bends towards the normal and its speed decreases also. So n the refractive index of light in medium 2 with respect to medium 1. So medium 2 here is glass, with respect to medium 1 is air. So we read like this formula, that the speed of light, the refractive index of the light in medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Like this way we have to read this symbol, is equal to speed of light in medium 1 upon speed of light in medium 2. So whatever is speed of light in medium 1 upon speed of light in medium 2, this is ratio of it. So this is what it is. Then next, so that we get, suppose the speed of light in medium 1 is v1 and speed of light in medium 2 is v2. So n1 2 is equal to v1 upon v2. So what is n1? This symbol, refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. v1 is the speed of light in medium 1 and v2 is the speed of light in medium 2. So this is it. So refractive index, when light is going from one medium to another medium other than air or vacuum, the value of refractive index is called as relative refractive index. So if the medium is not air, if it is water and glass or glass and water, whatever combination, then it is called as relative refractive index. So when light is going from one medium to another medium other than air or vacuum, the value of refractive index is called relative refractive index. And the light traveling from water into glass. So the light is, suppose light is traveling from water into the glass. A glass of water is there, from water it's traveling into glass and coming out of the glass. Then the value of refractive index is given by relative refractive index of glass with respect to water. So here it is, so water and glass. So the refractive index of glass with respect to water. That way we have to find out. So this is it. And so here it is the refractive index of glass for a light entering from water into the glass. So this is the meaning of relative refractive index. And relative refractive index, here air is not compared, another mediums are compared. What is absolute refractive index? When the light is going from vacuum to another medium, then the value is called absolute refractive index. Value of refractive index is called absolute refractive index. So here when one of the medium is vacuum or air and the other medium is any other medium, glass or water, then that is called as absolute refractive index. So comparison of or the ratio of any other medium with the air or vacuum is called as absolute refractive index. So for the light going from vacuum into the glass, absolute refractive index is represented by N glass or Ng and not this. So if it is only N glass, then we have to understand that the other medium is air here. So we don't write vacuum or air like this, we don't represent it like this, and we understand that is an absolute refractive index wherein the light is entering from the air into the glass, and we have to find out the refractive index of glass with respect to air, that is the first medium. So this is how it is, absolute refractive index. So the speed of light in air or vacuum to the speed of light in medium is called as refractive index of that medium. So in absolute refractive index equal to speed of light in air or vacuum upon speed of light in the other medium, water, glass, etc. So the refractive index depends on the two things, nature of material and of the medium, on of the nature of material of the medium and on the wavelength of the light used. So first is nature of material and second is wavelength of light. So refractive index of glass is used for making lenses, and lenses is used for making optical instruments like camera, microscope and telescope. So refractive index is used for making the lenses. Now what is further in this, if two media are optically exactly same, then no bending of light takes place. So when they pass from one medium to another medium, so optically the medium should be same, then the light will not get refracted. So the ability of a substance to refract light is also expressed in terms